Imagine arriving at work before sunrise. The office looks outdated, filled with paperwork. Decades ago, success meant education, a job, and climbing the career ladder. That formula? It still works, but times have changed. Today, a single person can harness AI for exponential productivity. AI can help with research, design, data analysis, and product creation. Skills, productivity, and income relationships are evolving. Adapting creates new opportunities. The AI economy is changing the rules. Rule 1. Don't compete with AI. Use it. Consider two workers. One struggles with tasks manually. The other employs AI tools, completing projects faster. AI is leverage, not competition. Imagine a freelancer enhancing their research with AI. They still need creativity and judgment. Now, they accomplish more in less time. The real winners combine AI with human skills. Rule 2. Sell outcomes, not AI. Entrepreneurs sell services. But clients want results. Don't sell AI. Solve real business problems. Shift from "I provide AI services" to "I solve your issue." Rule 3. Combine AI with a real skill. AI alone isn't a career. AI plus marketing transforms marketing efforts. AI plus coding accelerates software development. Become adept in applying AI within your expertise. Rule 4. Learn to ask better questions. Vague AI requests yield weak results. Detailed prompts lead to useful outputs. Your judgment is essential in understanding AI answers. Rule 5. Human judgment gets more valuable. AI offers options. You decide what's best. AI creates headlines, but which resonates most? Directing technology beats just consuming it. Rule 6. Build a personal brand. Your skill is meaningless if no one knows you. Becoming discoverable is vital. Create content, share knowledge, and grow your presence. Your work becomes your portfolio. Rule 7. Turn one skill into multiple products. One expertise can yield diverse income streams. From services to courses, diversify your offerings. Understand that knowledge can transform. Become a problem solver. Identify issues businesses face. Build practical solutions that work. Don't just gather certificates. Create value. Build real projects and gather feedback. Build assets, not just tasks. Assets generate ongoing value, whereas tasks do not. Don't ignore traditional careers in the AI era. AI skills benefit all professionals. Organize information to create structured systems. Distinguish hype from reality about AI opportunities. Every tech brings promises. Stay skeptical. AI increases productivity but doesn't replace hard work. The modern formula combines skill, AI, and trust. Ready for a challenge? Your 90-day AI plan awaits. First 30 days. Learn and experiment. Next 30 days. Build and publish. Final 30. Sell and improve. In this evolving economy, adaptability matters. Embrace technology, solve problems, and never stop learning. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more insights. What skill would you pair with AI? Finance flow. Learn, build, grow. In a world where knowledge means power, those who embrace the evolution are the ones who will thrive. The rapid advancements in artificial intelligence have opened doors to new horizons, but the key lies in the ability to adapt and innovate. Skilled professionals who can learn to integrate AI into their workflow will find themselves at a unique advantage, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth and success. Rather than viewing AI merely as a tool, they recognize it as a partner that enhances their own expertise and creativity, allowing them to deliver unparalleled value to their clients. However, it's not just about adopting new technology, it's about redefining your relationship with it. Ask yourself how you can leverage AI to not just enhance your effectiveness, but also to expand your influence within your field. Delve into learning resources that deepen your understanding of AI and cultivate an entrepreneurial mindset. As you navigate this exciting landscape, remember that innovation thrives on curiosity, and it's your ability to ask critical questions that will pave the way for growth. Imagine creating a content calendar powered by AI insights, where every post resonates with your audience's desires and expectations. You can analyze trends and tailor your messages with precision, ensuring relevance and connection. With tools at your fingertips, you craft campaigns that not only capture attention but also spark engagement, turning viewers into loyal followers. This is more than marketing, it's about establishing a relationship founded on genuine understanding and mutual benefit. Your voice, enriched by AI's capabilities, becomes a guiding light in a world flooded with information, standing out amid the noise. Embracing the reality of the AI economy requires a fundamental shift in perspective about how we define success. This is a journey that involves continuous learning and application, where each step taken is a brick laid on the path towards a sustainable and resilient professional future. As we navigate these transformative waters, remember that the fusion of human creativity and technological intelligence is not just the new norm, but a powerful catalyst for innovation. By aligning your skills with AI capabilities, you prepare not only for today's challenges but also for the uncertain landscape of tomorrow. The future is bright for those who dare to think differently and leverage their unique talents in tandem with state-of-the-art technology. As you embark on your 90-day AI plan, envision a world where your dreams are within reach, fueled by a blend of knowledge, creativity, and adaptive strategies. Together, we can sculpt a future marked by extraordinary possibilities. As you step into this new realm of possibilities, remember the importance of community. Connect with like-minded individuals who are also navigating the AI landscape. Share your experiences, challenges, and solutions, for collaboration can accelerate learning and foster innovative ideas. Engage in discussions, offer support, and draw inspiration from others' journeys, as your network becomes a vital resource in achieving success. The synergy of collective growth makes the road ahead less daunting and more rewarding, creating an environment where creativity and technological advancement can flourish together. Imagine a world where every professional actively seeks out these intersections. They're no longer merely following trends, they're shaping them. As we conclude, remember that the journey into the AI-enhanced future is a continuous evolution, where embracing change and fostering community will be your greatest assets. Every small step you take towards integrating AI will build a legacy of innovation and opportunity, paving the way for a prosperous tomorrow.